Tired of bulky blades weighing you down? Enter the Karambit knife, your new compact companion for everyday adventures. From splicing rope to whittling wood, these sleek, hawkbill beauties are more than just self-defense tools. They're your key to unlocking hidden possibilities in any situation. CRKT Du Hoc. The Du Hoc isn't just a knife, it's a statement. This impressive 5-inch fixed blade packs a punch with its tough SK5 carbon steel and sleek powder coat finish. It's built for serious work, with a beefy 0.2-inch thickness and a combination flat and hollow grind that balances power with cutting finesse. Unleash the beast within. At 9.625 inches open, the Du Hoc commands attention. Its textured G10 handle provides a secure grip for even the most demanding tasks, while the prominent thumb ring adds an extra layer of control and versatility. Carry with confidence. The included glass-reinforced nylon sheath keeps your Du Hoc at the ready while protecting you and your gear. It's durable, lightweight, and secure, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. More than just specs, the Du Hoc is an experience. It's the feeling of slicing through wood with ease, the confidence of a secure grip, and the satisfaction of owning a tool that's as beautiful as it is functional. Masalong Nai 104 Claw. On a budget but yearning for a Karambit's bite, the Nai 104 Claw delivers. Nai 104 Claw is our Karambit pick from Masalong. In fact, this is a great option on a tight budget. Feather light at 57 grams, this fixed blade beauty packs a punch. Choose from premium D2 or 5 CR steel for the double-edged blade, with a surprising single serrated edge to tackle varied tasks. The handle, while compact, offers a surprisingly comfortable grip, even for larger hands. It's a sleek shadow of a Karambit, perfect for those who like their tools discreet yet potent. And the handle gives a solid feel while holding, even though the handle is small for larger hands, but overall the grip is amazing for every hand. CRKT HC6. The HC6 is a versatile and high-performing fixed-blade Karambit that's equally at home in the wilderness, on your belt, or as part of your tactical gear. Its combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and practical features makes it a valuable tool for anyone who demands the best. This is built for those who demand performance and versatility. It boasts a combination of features that make it ideal for outdoor adventures, EDC tasks, and even tactical preparedness. At the heart of the HC6 lies an SK5 carbon steel blade. This high-performance steel is known for its exceptional edge retention, meaning you can chop wood, slice rope, and tackle other demanding tasks without frequent sharpening. The blade is further protected by a black coating. This not only gives the HC6 a sleek and tactical look but also enhances corrosion resistance and reduces glare, making it a reliable companion in any environment. Tops Devil's Claw 2. The original Devil's Claw was a master of concealment, tucked away discreetly in your outfit. Now, the Devil's Claw 2 emerges, bold and refined, ready to take center stage. The Devil's Claw 2 comes with all the successful promises that were delivered by the predecessor. Its extended Karambit ring handle, wrapped in cool black and blue G10 scales, offers confident control for every move. Top-notch 1095 steel forms the blade, sharper and more precise than ever, protected by a sleek black traction coating. This isn't just a hidden weapon, it's a statement piece for your tactical arsenal. It's more sharp and precise than any of its rivals. SOG Gambit Karambit Knife. Unleash the inner warrior with the SOG Gambit. This tough-as-nails Karambit isn't just for show. Popular with martial artists and ideal for self-defense, it's crafted with confidence in every curve. The glass-reinforced nylon handle, reinforced with a pinhole grip, feels like an extension of your hand. G10 scales add a touch of class while the full tang construction ensures unwavering strength. Carry it your way. The adjustable 360-degree pocket clip on the nylon sheath lets you customize your draw. Want a quick flick? Go for the tip-up carry. Prefer a stealthy side draw? No problem. The Gambit adapts to your style. Schrade SCH111. The Schrade SCH111 is an excellent double-edged karambit knife that emerges as an asset in any tactical situation. That's where the Schrade SCH111 shines. This double-edged karambit is a tactical force, designed for lightning-fast deployment. The knife is designed for quick deployment but accompanied by a large ambidextrous thermoplastic belt sheet shear safety. Its textured TPE handle and oversized finger hole offer incredible grip in any challenging weather conditions, at the same time includes. Its ambidextrous sheath keeps it secure while the oversized finger hole and textured TPE handle offer ironclad grip, even in the harshest weather. The full tang hawkbill blade, protected by a titanium coating, bites deep and holds its edge. So, lock your target and let the SCH111 do the talking. Garberg Carbon Steel Blade. Introducing Moriniv Garberg. Forget dainty blades that tremble at the sight of a twig. The Moriniv Garberg S isn't just a knife, it's a rugged beast of a companion, forged from the fire of Swedish steel and seasoned with years of craftsmanship. It's the one blade you'll trust from the frosty dawn of a mountain trek to the crackling embers of a campfire under a star-dusted sky. A whisper thin, 0.13-inch blade slices through wood like butter, and its semi-matte finish holds an edge sharper than a winter wind. But the party doesn't stop there. Flip the knife, and its square-edged spine transforms into a fire steel striker, ready to spark warmth and banish the chill. It's an integral dance of function and form that only Moriniv could choreograph. And no need to sweat the occasional tumble. A built-in click lock keeps your blade safely leashed within its sleek, 0.12-inch leather sheath, which opens with a satisfying snap and hangs comfortably on your belt. CRKT Provoke. Tired of knives stuck in their sheaths? Enter the CRKT Provoke, a shape-shifting karambit straight out of a fantasy that is capable of deep cuts. This futuristic twist on an ancient design features innovative kinematic technology, transforming from sleek travel mode to combat-ready beast in a flash. To be more precise, it is the first ever knife to feature kinematic technology, as it stays neatly tucked inside in transit and comes into life when you sense to combat any trouble. Its D2 steel blade, as sharp as assassin hidden blades, that is ready to handle real-world challenges at the same time, reliable to save the day in all cases. So, that was our list of the sharpest 8 karambit knives. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful.